Hello, Jackie Broman here from TBA Law. I recently gave this presentation at a Tradies night for Harris Business Solutions Accounting in Wallen. It is about having an exit strategy for small businesses, tradies, sole practitioners, sole traders. So I'll keep it short, but basically run through the content from the other night. So when we go into business, most of us go into business because we want to work for ourselves and also because we want our business to be an asset. We want to build something up that is worth something that we can pass on or that we can sell. So when it comes time to exiting, there are two ways that people exit their business, either planned or unplanned. Now, either way, you can be far more prepared for a planned or an unplanned exit. And being prepared will make things far more easier. So a planned exit is a sale or a passing down to the next generation. And if you prepare well for this, it'll go very smoothly. But if you don't, you could try to do it quite quickly and not achieve the value that you want. And an unplanned succession is if an emergency happens. So if you're suddenly too sick to work, you've had an accident, you've had a diagnosis, or you die suddenly, what happens to your business? So you can prepare for this, or you can have it completely unprepared and leave your family potentially with a mess. Because can your family and your staff fill your shoes in your business? Probably not. Will your business continue to run and survive until it can be sold? Probably not. Therefore, you're going to lose a fair bit of value in your business until it can be sold, or potentially it will have no value except for your equipment. So your family could be left with debt and heartache of trying to sell your business or seeing it go down the gurgler while they're grieving for you. So as I briefly touched on before, a planned succession is to sell your business to an external third party for the best price possible. And if you're prepared, you will achieve a good price. If you're unprepared and you sell it quickly on the market, you're unlikely to get a very good price. You could sell your business to staff inside the business, or you could appoint an external manager to run the business and you retain ownership. Or there could be a family succession. So you've got children who are coming up through the business who could take over for you. Or you could plan to work in your business forever until you die if you love it that much. And then you don't really mind if it's worth anything at the end. So as I said, both exit strategies depend on how well you prepare. And when you prepare your succession or exit strategy, you need to think about maximizing your business value. You need to make sure your business structure is the best structure possible for an exit. You need to think about tax considerations, particularly capital gains tax. You need to think about your estate plan and your legalities around that. So who have you appointed as a power of attorney to be able to do things for you if you can't anymore? You need to think about a successor selection. If you care about your clients, you want someone in your business in the future to do well by them. So you don't just want to sell out to a third party that will then ruin your name. Likewise, if it's a staff member or another generation in your family, you want to make sure it's the right person. Contingency planning, it comes back to your estate plan basically. You want to take into account all possible scenarios. And contingency planning, you also need to look at various types of insurance. Key person insurance, total and permanent disability insurance, life insurance. And then overall, you need to be thinking about your objectives. What do you want to achieve on exiting your business, and what is your time frame? So a contingency plan is your estate plan, essentially. It's the worst case scenario. We do a will. We make sure that powers transfer to the right people under your will so your business can keep running until it's sold. Powers of attorney, you need to appoint someone who actually knows what to do in your business to keep it going if you can't work in it or communicate. A statement of wishes and instructions is also something that can be used in the case where there's a family business that is in a company or a trust structure. And talking of trusts, you need to get legal advice on how the control of the trust transfers down the family line if you're running a family business. So what lawyers, accountants and financial planners can help you with is working out the value of your business, working out how much you need to retire and how much insurance you should have, structuring your business, making sure it's in the best structure possible, both for succession and tax planning, and also looking at buy-sell agreements, which are very important when you're in a business with other people. So if you found this video, you should have also found my website, but if you haven't, my contact details are on this page, our 2 primary offices in Victoria, our email address, and if you Google my name, you'll find me anyway. So I hope this was a helpful little bit of information, and if you want more, by all means, reach out by email to me. Thank you.